I'm Pete and you're watching Fabrications. For this episode I've had to get a HANS system. It's compulsory to go racing at Hampdon Downs in the national racing events. So that's what we're going to run through today, is the HANS system I've bought and hooking it up to my helmet. Just comes in like a helmet bag, which is kind of cool. And this is the bit of kit here, and the idea is you just pop it on over your head like this, locks onto your shoulders, and then your helmet connects to these straps which stops your head going forward like this in a crash, and your harness, racing harness, goes over these points here, so it sort of straps you all in. So what I've got to do is fit the helmet post to my helmet. It's an entry level one, but it does have the connection points to hook a HANS system onto, and not all helmets have it, so you be careful when you're buying your gear that you get one that has those posts. All this stuff's FIA certified. So this is your HANS post, this is your base plate. Spring washer, that's part of the mechanism. Just another alloy washer that sits on top of that. And how these work is they do actually spring like this. So get it bolted together, you'll be able to see better. And then this actual post, finally the screw, just an M6 screw. So that's what's going to get screwed onto the side of the helmet. Right, no point in getting too carried away tightening those. And this is how the mechanism works. So this bit actually just pushes in, and that's how the whole system works. So just going to adjust where this sits on the other side. There we go. Okay, time for a test fit in the car. The idea is for that to come right over top of that and there, so that that little nub just here, belts go inside that. So I noticed my head can only go that far back, which I guess helps with the whiplash, but the main thing is it can only go this far forward now. That's all held in by the harness. Oh no, I've crashed! Hopefully I don't even need it. But anyway, we now meet the rules to go racing at Hampdon Downs. Just going to finish this video out with updating my race numbers. Used to be number 74, which was the year of the car, but that number was taken once I registered for racing. So I just chucked a number 1 in front of it and hurried up the numbers quickly for the race last time. Yeah, I fixed those up properly now.